First step is to remove the wheel. Second step is to jack up the car and use a jack stand for safety. I'm also gonna put the wheel under the car. So the first step is we're gonna clean the brake hose, because we're gonna remove it when we change the brake caliper. So we're gonna use a wire brush and also some penetrating oil. By removing this retainer clip first, we're gonna let the penetrating oil sink in at the brake hose. So let's go. I'm gonna use safety glasses for this, just in case. The thing with removing the retaining clip is that you need to have patience and like wiggle it a bit. Don't try to damage it. Also, penetrating oil helps because they can seize up. Here we have the retaining clip. So guys, I'm gonna start by breaking you know, the tension here and removing it, because I don't want to remove it when the caliper is loose. I want to remove it now when it's fastened, and I'm using a special brake wrench here, and as you see, it's really easy. It turned right away. So like I really recommend using this type of wrench, because this one will round the bolt really quick if it's seizing. So yeah guys, I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna remove it after, but I already broke the tension now. And here we have the pins, the gliding pins. We're gonna remove the plastic. These ones were easy, like you can just remove them by hand, but otherwise just take a small screwdriver and remove them. We have 2 of them. So guys, I'm using an Allen key number 7 and a wrench. These ones are like kind of easy to remove actually. Here we have the first gliding pin, or like the brake pin. It's a bit dirty, so we're just gonna like clean it with a wire brush and some brake cleaner, and then we're gonna lube it. So guys, the next step to remove the caliper, it's a bit seized on the brake pads and the disc. So we're just gonna take a screwdriver and do like this on both sides until it gets loose. As you see, I'm moving it, I'm wiggling it a bit. I don't have a breaker bar or something right now, so I'm just gonna take my time and wiggle it. You can also use bigger tools like these ones, or like anything that fits. Like as you see, just take your time and it will come loose. And as you see, like we're gonna reuse the brake pads because we still have a bit of pads left. So we're just gonna pull it out from the brake caliper like that. We're gonna put this up like here, secure it. Put this thing around, break it. Let's get it. Wait. Let's try to. I'm moving the caliper, as you see. I don't wanna bend the brake hose, so I'm just gonna rotate the caliper just like this, because if I'm moving the hose, it will twist, and we don't want it to twist. So we're just gonna rotate the caliper just like this, and installing it is gonna be in the same way. We're gonna rotate it around. We don't want to rotate the hose, just the caliper. Yeah, we're gonna change it right away. So we're gonna twist the caliper. We're gonna rotate it like this until it threads. It's threading right now. As you see, I'm threading it. This is the way. Now it's on. We're gonna tighten it a bit, just quick with this one, like that. Now it's on. We're gonna secure it after, but we're gonna put the brake pad back let's spray this a bit with brake cleaner because brake fluid is really corrosive. Water works as well, guys. Now we're gonna install everything back, and then we're gonna bleed the brakes through the brake bleed valve right here. And the tools I use for this car, specifically this car, I used 14 wrench on the brake holes. I used Allen key 7 for the gliding slide pins, and yeah, that's it. Let's go, guys. In this video I'm actually just showing you guys how to change the caliper, but right now, before, like, I'm gonna reuse the same disc and the same pads because they are not bad, but I'm just gonna clean the surface here on the brake caliper holder, and after I'm gonna lube up a bit on the sides here, and I'm gonna lube the sliding pins as well. So I'm putting a bit of lube on the sides of the brake pads. Make sure that they don't like that you don't get grease like at the surface here, but just the sides. So now we're gonna clean off the sliding pins or gliding pins, I don't know what they're called. I'm just using a normal wire brush. You can also use a small knife or a screwdriver. And I'm gonna use some brake cleaner. So now we're installing back the gliding or sliding pins. I'm just using, like, I'm putting this in, and then I'm gonna put the other one in just with this tool, and then I'm gonna tense them up with the wrench or the ratchet thing, socket thing, yeah. We're gonna put back the rubber things for the sliding pin, just like this, boom, as you see. And then the other one below here, boom. We're gonna put back the retaining clip now, and then after we're gonna break the bleed the brakes. Just like that, it's in. We're gonna hammer a bit on it after. So we're gonna bleed the brakes now. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. If you have a friend, you can ask your friend to press the brakes a couple of times, and then after a while, let's say that you press it 3 times and you hold it, and then I will open, and then I will close, and then you will repeat it until the fluid is clear with no bubbles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, hold it. I'm gonna close it. Wait, hold it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, hold it. Wait 1 sec. Just a second, I'm gonna tighten it a bit so it doesn't leak any. Oh, sorry, wait. Okay, let's do it again, just one more time. 1, 2, 3, hold it. Hold it, keep holding it. Okay, let's do it one last time. I'm gonna count down, wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, hold it. Wait, hold it. 1 second, just hold it. Okay, and we are done. The last step, guys, is just we're gonna refill the fluid that we lost, but we didn't lose a lot, so we're just gonna fill a little bit. And be careful, because this shit is also corrosive, so if you drop it on like the engine bay and all the plastic, clean it with water or brake cleaner. Fill a little bit more. It's good. So these are all the tools that you will need for this work, or at least the ones that I used. So a breaker bar to remove the wheel, a ratchet to use Allen keys on to remove the brake caliper, I use these brake wrenches to remove the brake hose. They're great for brake pipes as well, but like I think this one is really good for brake hoses, since it's like it grips more than a normal, you know, normal wrench like this, because this one can slip easily. And then like I don't know which size you will have, but probably like 10, 11, 9 or 8 for the bleeding valve. So then you can use this wrench. So that's all you need. I mean, it worked for me. You can use different tools if you want to, but I would recommend these tools at least. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope my video helped you in any way. And subscribe for more mechanical videos, and I'll see you in the next one.